Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're stepping into a world that's both fascinating and a little creepy. Ever wondered what the weirdest robots in the world look like? Get ready because we're about to take a closer look at 9 of the strangest robots making waves right now. These are not your average robots. They showcase a mix of advanced technology and a dash of bizarre charm. First up, we have a mecha, touted as the world's most advanced humanoid robot. That's a bold claim. But what's truly fascinating about a mecha isn't its speed or strength. It's how it expresses emotions. Imagine a robot that can smile and laugh just like you do. It might not replace your office staff, but it sure could charm your guests at dinner. A mecha shows that robots aren't just cold, metal shells, but can exhibit human-like emotions in remarkable ways. Next on our list is Boston Dynamics Atlas. Yep, you've seen the viral videos of this lanky humanoid robot doing parkour. It's fascinating and a bit unsettling to watch a robot jump and flip around, resembling a character from a sci-fi movie, right? But while Atlas can definitely entertain us, it's designed for serious work. Think construction sites, oil fields, and more. With a unique blend of agility and utility, Atlas is paving the way for future robotics in heavy industries. Now, let's talk about the Unitree G1. This robot is what I'd call a jack of all trades, but honestly, more like a master of none. Priced at around $16,000, it can do some wild things, spinning sticks like a lightsaber and smashing chestnuts. Wait, what? It's like watching a hyperactive kid who yells, "Look what I can do," over and over again. It's bizarre but kind of amusing. Although the purpose isn't exactly clear, this playful bot makes you wonder what potential lies in its chaotic innovations. Moving on to something oddly wholesome, the Minty bot. Designed to be an everyday assistant, it's about helping people with simple tasks, like lifting heavy boxes or cleaning. Sure, it's not the quickest or the most graceful, but the idea of a robot willing to help with chores is intriguing. Imagine having a clumsy robot helping out around your house. How's that for a dose of modern life? It may lack finesse, but the effort is heartwarming. The Figure AI is our next contender, a multitasker designed specifically for factory work. With some serious backing from OpenAI, this bot can respond to voice commands and take on various tasks throughout the day. Picture it seamlessly adjusting its priorities based on your commands, almost like a human colleague. However, don't expect it to dash around just yet. It walks with a unique gait that makes you wonder what it's been through. It's less intimidating than it looks, but it still reflects the growing use of AI in workplaces. Next on our lineup is Artemis, the football-playing robot. Yes, you heard that right. Built with dreams of surpassing even Messi, Artemis is competing in the RoboCup. There's quite a lot riding on this little guy. However, recent demonstrations revealed Artemis struggling a bit with basic kicks. It's fascinating to think they aim for the World Cup by 2050, but for now, let's just say there's a training regime in need here. Introducing NeoBeta, the robot trying to be your first home assistant. Marketed as a significant advancement in robotics, it can do tasks like making coffee and providing hugs. However, it looks a bit delicate. Don't be surprised if it fizzles out while trying to fold laundry. It's got some serious potential, but for now, it's more of a cute idea than a reliable companion. Still, imagine how fun it could be to have a robot helping in your daily routine. Next up, meet the Slothbot, a curious little robot. It's designed to hang around under tree canopies and collect microclimate data without bothering the animals. It's solar-powered and moves at a snail's pace, which is kind of the point. It's all about being low-impact and blending in with nature, though its eyes might creep you out a bit. The dedication to environmental monitoring through robotics is a hopeful trend we should support. Last but not least, we have Vero, the beach-cleaning robot. With its unique ability to hoover up debris, Vero has a simple but important job, picking up trash, specifically cigarettes from the sand. Sometimes it's the simpler robots that make the biggest impact. Think about it. Clean beaches can benefit everyone and enhance the beauty of nature. Vero's straightforward design emphasizes functionality, proving that not every robot has to outcompete a human. And there you have it. 9 of the weirdest robots currently in development. They range from charmingly quirky to downright unsettling. As technology continues to advance, who knows what will come next? These robots command our attention, and they challenge the boundaries of what AI can achieve in the real world. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride through technology. Before you go, I want to hear from you. What do you think about these robots? Could you see any of them playing a role in your life? Leave a comment below, and let's chat. I value your feedback and am constantly striving to improve my content to make it better for you. Your support means the world to me.